Six zodiac signs that have the highest sex drive. Have you ever been accused of having a libido that inspires you to make the dirtiest jokes? Well, if yes, then chances are you are one of the zodiac signs with the highest sex drive. Frequent sex have a tons of benefit. Besides the amazing orgasms, it shatters stress, makes us look younger, better our immune system, and literally whatnot. So, having a high libido really has its share of pros. And guess who is reaping the most from these pros? Well, that would be these six zodiac signs with the highest sex drive. Scorpio. Scorpio rules the reproductive system and sex organs in a human body. So, of course, sex is their forte. And trust us, you really don't know the hows and wows of sex if you haven't shared a bed with a scorpion. When it comes to sex, scorpions are interested in the act around the clock, very needy and difficult to satisfy. They like doing the wildest of things in bed and make the kinkiest partners. Nevertheless, while they can be kinky, however, they are not so sexually charged that they would go for sex with whosoever. You really have to be loyal, genuine, and caring to have them in both your life and bed. Aries. Next on the horniest zodiac sign list is Dear Aries. Honestly, there has eternally been a tough competition for the second spot, with Taurus being another contender for the same. But truth to be told, Aries outnumbers Taurus and even Scorpio if you count the number of people they can make their mind to do it with. Aries is known to have multiple partners when it comes to sex. They don't get attached to people easily as they have an emotional wall that is difficult to breach. So, when you have sex with Aries, count on them to give you the best orgasms, but not to stay with you ever and forever. Taurus. When it comes to sex, Taurus is more of a sensual than sexual kind. The difference here is that Taurus craves touch just like some people crave intercourse. Being sensual also allows them the superpower to give the best hugs and cuddles. Talking about sex, when most people are pleasure seekers, Taurus, on the other hand, is a pleasure giver. Taurus sex drive is unmatchable, and the perfectionist that they are allows them to do everything in a way that you would crave for it again and again. The best thing about Taurus when it comes to sex is that they would make you feel so comfortable. Well, to be honest, that's their way to lure you between the sheets. Sagittarius. Another very sex seeking zodiac sign is Sagittarius. However, they are also very moody. Sagittarius tend to get bored quickly with things, and people are no exception. So, you always need to spice things up when you are between the sheets with a Sagittarius. Notes to be taken: sex for Sagittarius is not a necessity, just like it is for a Taurus or a Scorpio. Most of the time, it's about, do they feel the need to have it? If not, then you are not getting laid today. Well, that might sound rude and a tad bit selfish, but it is what it is. Virgo. Virgo represents the earth element, thus are very rigid and disciplined in their approach. Virgos truly are great thinkers, and a peek into their imagination would allow you a glimpse into the fantasies they home. Virgos are most comfortable when it comes to trying new things in bed. However, they would not take the leap forward if their partner doesn't want to do the new thing they have been cooking up. In a nutshell, Virgos are not good with initiating things, but get along pretty well once the things start to get steamy. Gemini. Gemini is an air sign, and hence their sex drive often tends to fluctuate. The feminine side of the zodiac makes them very sensual and dirty minded. A Gemini is one who knows that when something sexy is vocalized, it becomes even hotter and tends to use it for their good. However, as we have mentioned, that Gemini's sex drive tends to fluctuate. Thus, their dry spell and unwillingness to ditch the clothes can go longer than any other sign. A secret to be split. Another reason why they don't ditch clothes often is because they own the best set of lingerie. So these were the 6 zodiac signs with the highest sex drive. For more of such content, you can follow us on Instagram.